Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I just got home from a long day at the paper and now I've got to paint some stuff because we got the worst storms coming in like 25 years. I don't know, there's a lot of hype online about it. But I have, I don't know, maybe an hour, 2 hours. I gotta have dinner, so I gotta get that done, but we can paint these. Let me show you. These are the little garden chairs that I picked up when I was on the All City sale. I paid 50 cents for the 2 of them. So they were a quarter a piece, and you can see they're really, really faded and rusty in some spots. Let's see if it'll focus. Right there, rusty in some spots. But I'm going to take a matte black and paint them both, and then they'll be ready for next spring. No, I don't know, it's not focusing. Then they'll be ready for next spring. This is the one I'm using. It's the 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer in 1 flat black. So that's what we're using. That's what I found at the hardware store. That's what we're using. And it's time to paint. You gotta shake it up like longer than you think you gotta shake it up. But you gotta shake it and keep shaking it, and then shake it some more, and then you gotta shake it some more, because all this stuff just sits in there, and you gotta mix it together. All right, that should be enough. I at least want to get 1 coat of paint on this today. Hopefully I can get 1 coat of paint and then get it to the point where it's at least dry to the touch and can come in, because it's gonna rain. Well, they already look better, so I need to get them flipped over, though. It's hard to get underneath the legs when they're upright like that. Let me show you. Already better. It's so hard to see the matte because it dries so fast, and then you lose your glossy bits, but it's definitely darker. I think I missed a spot right here. Maybe not. I don't know. It'll definitely need another coat. And this one you can see a little more of the gloss while it's drying. Yeah, I missed a spot there. I'm gonna go get paint and do that. Be gone, error and judgment. Yeah, better. Better. We're gonna hit this one too since I've got this out. So the fading made it look just a little brown. Now it's going to be a definite black. Yeah, I'm going to go have dinner and then we'll come back. Okay, I have them flipped around. So they're upside down now. Show you. And now it's time to get the underneath and get it all finished up, and then these will be good to go. Clouds are moving in. We're moving on. I think they're good. I think we're going to let them dry. I'm kind of happy I got these done, because I was thinking there's no way I'm going to get anything done before the rain, but had plenty of time. And there we have it. They are improved. Not every project is like a total transformation, but sometimes this work just needs to get done. And now I can put these away and survive a derecho show, whatever the heck that is. And yeah. These will be ready for next spring. It's too late to sell them. We're getting into fall, so they're not really appropriate right now, but these will be packed away, priced, and ready to go for next spring when it's planter season again. But I didn't want to put these away until this was done. Otherwise, in May and April, when it's too bloody cold or still snowing here, I can't spray paint these, and then I'm frustrated that I didn't do it in the summer. So I didn't let that happen this time. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junking. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.